Welcome back to Hyper Meditation. Today, we embark on a guided Vipassana meditation journey. Remember that the goal of this practice is not to achieve a certain state or experience, but simply to be present with whatever arises in each moment. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or a chair, with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes softly and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, bring your attention to the sensation of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Notice the rising and falling of your abdomen, or the sensation of air passing through your nostrils. As you continue to breathe, allow your awareness to expand to the physical sensations present in your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and without trying to change them, simply observe them with curiosity and acceptance. With each breath, imagine yourself breathing into these areas of tension, allowing them to soften and release on the exhale. Notice how the sensations change and shift with each breath, without clinging to any particular sensation or trying to make it go away. As you continue to scan your body with mindfulness, you may notice thoughts, emotions, or distractions arising in your mind. Instead of getting caught up in them, simply acknowledge their presence and gently return your focus to the sensations of your breath and body. Allow yourself to be with whatever is here, without judgment or resistance. During the next several minutes, simply allow yourself to be present, embracing the experience fully. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the space around you. Take a moment to notice how you feel after completing this meditation, and carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you go about your day. As we near the end of this meditation, take a few moments to express gratitude for this opportunity to practice mindfulness and cultivate awareness. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you need to ground yourself and reconnect with the present moment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. See you next time.